About 2 months after Apple launched their Powerbeats Pro, Soundpeats also launched their alternative to the 1,000 ringgit active earphones. Geared towards the active individual, the Soundpeats Truewings features a hook-style earbuds to help keep those earbuds in your ears during runs or workouts. So can the Truewings live up to being the Powerbeats Pro's budget alternative? Or should you just save up your money to get the more famous brand Beats by Dre? Welcome to a review of the Soundpeats Truewings. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to my channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. So with that said, let's get on with a review of the Soundpeats Truewings True Wireless Earbuds. So I personally bought these earbuds for roughly around 168 Malaysia ringgit, and that translates to about 43 US dollars. I'll leave my links in the description below, so if you're interested in getting these earbuds, you can check out some of the latest prices there. So we've also recently looked at the Soundpeats True Engine 2 right over here, and that is a pretty awesome earbuds in my opinion, with the dual dynamic drivers and very much geared towards the active individual. So you can check out my review on the Soundpeats True Engine 2 right up here to learn more about them. The True Engine 2 is also a little bit more expensive. So the question is, if you're looking for an active earbuds, do you want to pay the slight premium for the dual dynamic drivers of the True Engine 2, or just go for the Truewings right here? Or alternatively, you can go for Apple's more premium option, which is the Powerbeats Pro. So let's take a look at whether or not these Soundpeats Truewings really live up to its name to become the best active earbuds on the market. So the first thing I want to talk about is the design and build of the Soundpeats Truewings. I personally don't choose active earbuds all that much, maybe because I have a very generic ear canal, so most earbuds fits me okay and never really have any earbuds flying out of me so far. So the case of the Soundpeats is made primarily out of plastic. It feels quite nice in the hand. It doesn't feel as badly made as the True Engine 2. Not that the True Engine 2 is very badly made, but this is definitely quite high quality and has a very nice feel to it overall. The top of the case has a very simple Soundpeats branding there, and I think Soundpeats using this glossy black font over this matte black case is really very nice. The back of the case has a USB Type-C as well as a charging indicator there. The lid of the Truewings opens up quite nicely, and it's closed nicely with a magnet, and you can hear that the snap of the magnet is actually very nice sounding, and it's not very harsh, it doesn't slam shut all that bad. So that's a very nice touch there. So inside the case itself, there's a very simple cradle that holds the earbuds in its place. You can see the earbud sits nicely there. And inside there are 4 LED indicators that tells you the battery percentage of the case itself. So speaking about battery life, the earbuds themselves gives you roughly around 4 hours of playback time, and the large case here gives you a total playback of 22 hours, and that translates to roughly about 4.5 times of charge cycle. The entire case charges up in around 2.5 hours, so not the fastest charging speed. So the earbuds of the Truewings are fairly typical of any sports earbuds, and it's very similar to what Apple's Powerbeats Pro features, and they pretty much look very identical. The earbuds main feature here is the ear hooks that holds the earbuds snugly in your ear. They're not the very soft flexible type of ear hooks. As you can see, as I do that, it's a little bit rigid, but I believe this rigidity helps with keeping the earbuds in place while you're jumping around. So unlike most of the Soundpeats earbuds, which usually has a very nice white light indicator here, the Truewings doesn't have the indicator on the outside, where it only has this glossy Soundpeats logo there, which still looks very nice in my opinion. And the light indicator is actually on the top here instead. So there's no light indicator here, but rather they move it up there. On the back itself, you can see that earbuds of the Truewing, and at the bottom here, there are contact points for the earbuds to charge up. So let's talk a little bit about the features of these earbuds. So this earbud runs Bluetooth 5.0, of course that's the latest Bluetooth codec out there, but it runs different chip compared to the True Engine 2 and other Soundpeats products. This earbuds runs the Realtek 8763 chip, which gives pretty good connection as well as stability overall for my tests so far. It supports audio codecs such as AAC, SBC, and since it's not a Qualcomm chip, Apex is missing here. So let's see how does the latency fare while watching video. Since AAC and SBC are also some form of lower latency earbuds, they are not the best, but at least they are low latency to a certain extent. These earbuds are also IPX7 water resistant, and this is actually really good even for sports earbuds because IPX7 is actually rated to be submersible up to 1 meters for 30 minutes. Although that fits the profile of a swimming earbuds, these earbuds are still not marketed as swimming earbuds, so probably not a very good idea to bring it swimming. So apart from that, there's no CVC technology because it's not running the Qualcomm chip. So in terms of feature, those are some of the stuff you can expect. So connecting to the Soundpeats Truewing is quite a simple process. All you gotta do is go into your Bluetooth profile and click on scan, then pull out any side of the Soundpeats Truewings, and you should see the Bluetooth indicator flash in red and blue. Once that happens, all you gotta do is click on that in your Bluetooth profile. It'll ask for confirmation. Click OK. And there you go, your phone is now connected to the Soundpeats Truewings. So the beauty of this is that once you connect one side of the earbuds, the other side of the earbuds, once you pull up, will immediately connect to this main earbuds, and you'll start relaying music from one earbuds to the other. So this doesn't have the technology like Qualcomm's True Stereo Plus, so it doesn't connect both of these earphones to the device itself, so it still relays music from one earbud to the other. So that's how you connect your earbuds to your device. So let's talk a little bit about sound design. To be honest, I kind of much prefer the sound signature of the Truewings compared to all the different types of True Engine series. The Truewings is not overly bassy compared to the True Engine 2, the True Engine SE of earbuds, and the bass is present, not overpowering, and gives a very nice balance overall to the mids as well as the highs. The problem with the dual dynamic drivers of the True Engine series is that it gives very thumping bass, definitely, but it kind of mellows out the mids as well as the highs. So that doesn't happen here, but many reviews out there also say that the Truewings can benefit from more treble, and I kind of agree with that. Soundpeats earphones are somewhat on the warmer end of the spectrum. A nice bright sound profile plus the nice bass response here will give these earbuds a really nice sound profile. So overall, that's how the sound signature actually sounds on the Soundpeats Truewings. So in terms of call quality, the Truewings are fairly decent when it comes to that. Since it doesn't run Qualcomm's 3020 chip, we're losing out on technologies such as CVC. So far from our test, the call quality seemed to be decent and people can generally hear me quite well, even with a noisy background around. So let's take a listen on how the call quality on these earbuds actually sound like.
So this is a test to see how the Soundpeats Truewings actually sound when talking over the phone. So this is the sound quality that you can expect if you're listening from the other end of the phone call. So you can judge for yourself to see whether or not these earbuds actually have a very clear sound signature. So like I've mentioned before, these earbuds do not have CVC technology from Qualcomm. So speaking over noisy places may impose some noise or ambient noise at the background. So that's something to take note when buying the Soundpeats Truewings.
So since the earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0, the latency on the Truewings is decently low. While I think AAC as well as SBC are not as fast as Apex codec in terms of transmission speed, watching videos and gaming on these earbuds still feels pretty good with no noticeable lag. So let's take a look at the latency test of these earbuds.
So this is a video to test to see whether or not the Truewings actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do is clap into the microphone and you should be able to see whether or not there is a latency problem on this earphone. So here we go. as a latency problem with the Soundpeats Truewings. So from my test earlier, I think there is a slight noticeable delay in terms of watching video, and gaming is not exceptionally well because of the lack of low latency codecs such as Apex codec. So those are some of the things that you have to consider when buying these earbuds.
So as to most Soundpeats products that we've tested so far, all of them have very good controls interface to control all your media requirements. So some of the great things that you can do is controlling the volume from your earbuds themselves. So the great thing is that it doesn't affect the volume on the device itself, so meaning you can go as low as you can on the earbuds or as high as you can on the earbuds simply by tapping one time on the left side or the right side. So you can also play or pause media simply by double tapping on the earbuds like that, and the media will play and pause. You can also pick up phone calls by double tapping on the earbuds. You can skip forward by holding onto the right side of the earbuds, and you can skip backwards by holding on the left side of the earbuds. So that's how you control your media playback on your phone. You can also call out assistant using the earbuds themselves simply by triple tapping on either side. So what it'll do is that it'll pause your media and pull out the assistant. So that is how you control media on the Soundpeats Truewings wireless earbuds. So overall, I think the Truewings is a truly decent active earbuds that is really worth looking into, considering that it's over 4 times cheaper compared to the Powerbeats Pro. So that's definitely a bargain and a very good thing considering the specs of these earbuds are pretty good. So basically that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.